This is 2021 R5, and in this video, we're going to talk a little bit about an improvement that was made for Canada. So I've loaded up and started up the program here with Canadian presets. And the thing that is new here is in the load template for snow loads. If you open up your load template and go to snow loads, you will see at the bottom here that you can now override the CB factor for snow loads. CB is used in the formula that's shown up here at the top. The formula is a little bit different depending on whether you're running in Part 9 or Part 4 of the Canadian code. In this case, I've got this set for Part 4, so that's what would be applied. The way that you can use this is there is a minimum setting, and it tells you this right here, that the CB factor is a zero point 0.8 minimum for Part 4. So if you want to override that, if you've got that on the plans, the EOR is requiring, to use 0.85 or zero point 0.9 or something higher than that, you can do that. You cannot set this factor to be lower than what is required by the code, however. Okay, the way to do that is you just check this box as use the increased CB factor, and then you can type in whatever it is that you need in the appropriate box here, depending on whether you're doing Part 9 or Part 4, and you say okay and save that, and then run your truss and uh, and use that information in the truss, and what you will see is that that CB factor is what was used then to develop the snow loads. So if there's any questions about that, please contact myself or get with David Lyle. He can explain it a little bit further. Again, this is for Canada only, not for the US, that CB factor that applies to the Canadian codes. Again, if there's any questions, let us know.